Wow, you're putting... We didn't even wash your hands before making this lemonade.
Oh, well, who cares?
We just touch your eyes and you're going to put out whatever. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So
they're
it's
making
water,
lemonade, and we have to...
no,
shut up! You told me to explain. Okay, so we've got boiling water to make our lemonade. And so we're trying to put like ice cubes in it to make it like a little more cold, you know.
We didn't wash our hands.
Yeah, we didn't wash our hands.
We should probably go wash our hands.
We can after this, okay. And now, well, just
if
a second
sick,
ago,
it's all your fault.
my melody girl here, she just like threw an ice cube in and the boiling water splashed onto my hand and it really hurt.
And it
so
was
now
funny.
I'm gonna take this matter into my
Okay. You suck. Just put it in.
Yeah, that's how you do
Okay.
lemonade. It's hot though. Is it good? Let me try it.
Better, but it needs a lot more sugar. Yeah. Come on, pulverize lemon. We finally with that lemon.
Would you mind shutting up?
Tell me the duck story.
Bum bum bum, ba-dum ba-dum. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, we just sell lemonade, but it's cold and it's fresh and it's all homemade. Can I get you a glass?" The duck said, "I'll pass." Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. Bum 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, like I said yesterday, we just sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try?" The duck said, "Goodbye." Then he waddled away.